What if you can create community-based content at the click of your fingers? Yes, what we're going to show you guys how to do is absolutely dominate your community with content using ChatGPT. What's going on, guys? My name is Nick Krem, the co-founder of the Krem Institute of Artificial Intelligence. If you find this video useful, go ahead and subscribe because we're going to be dropping new videos every single week. And this week, we're going to show you guys in less than 30 minutes how you guys can use ChatGPT to create local community-based content, turn it into emails, turn it into blogs, and be able to create an endless supply of content. And if you watch this video, you're going to find my favorite prompts because you can use it every single week and it will automatically update for you. Again, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you inside.
AI for real estate agents.
So inside of ChatGPT, family, and if you guys see, ChatGPT 4.5 just came out. What this means is it just got better in research and it got better in collecting data for you. So what I'm about to show you just got like a facelift, just became even better for you. So in order for this to properly work, what you need to select is this search here on your ChatGPT. You need to select search. Why do you need to do that? So that way it is real time searching the internet for you. Without the search, you do not get up-to-date information. So with search, you simply click this button. So my goal of what I'm about to show you guys is how to create community-based content at scale, where it can literally be unlimited amounts of content based on your community. Here is the one prompt that every person on the call here should do right after this. You can do it right after this, and it is super simple, okay? And what I would recommend is every single Thursday, every single week, you can use this prompt and send out to your database. They love it, and it works. Here's all you have to do. Give me the top 3 things to do this weekend and then you insert your city name. Let's just say Medina, Ohio. So what this does is it searches the internet and I'm asking it, give me the top 3 things to do this weekend in Medina, Ohio. And you hit enter. And what ChatGPT is going to do is it's going to search the web. And here we go. It is going to roll out the top 3 things to do this weekend in your city. 1, everybody's always looking for things to do on the weekend. What I love about this prompt is it updates every single weekend by itself. I don't have to ask it a new prompt because every weekend there's new activities, there's new things going on. And all you have to do after you do this is click off the search and then just ask ChatGPT, now write me an email to send out to my database. And it is going to take the top 3 things to do this weekend. And it is going to give you an email to send out to your database. Why do I love this? Because people in your community love to know what's going on. It's a very simple email. And you can start getting a following of individuals who like to look for your emails and open your emails. And every single week, you just come in here. Hey, what are the top 3 things to do this weekend in my city? And it gives it to you. You can also say, now write me a Facebook post. And it will go through and it will write you a Facebook post. The top 3 things to do this weekend. If you want to take this a step further, what I would recommend on this is if you go into Facebook, there's a place where you can go inside of groups, inside of Facebook. And you can type in your city, Medina, Ohio. And you will see news, info, and discussions. You will see all these different public groups that already exist. Don't go on there and post your just listed, just sold. That's a good way to get kicked out. And that's not what these groups are looking for. But if every single week you go into Medina County news, info, and discussions, and you post the top 3 things to do that weekend in there, You're giving people a reason to want to follow you and create content. And now there's all these different pages. You can go in there and just simply post the top 3 things to do that weekend. Why do I love this one? Because every single weekend, it changes. You don't have to come up with a new strategy, new ways to do it. And I know people who used to do this, it used to take them hours to do it. Now, with ChatGPT, it takes you minutes, right? So let's come back to ChatGPT. So what I did is I came up with, guess what tool I used to create this list? ChatGPT. 50 different ways that you guys can utilize this tool, this strategy. Let's see. 10 hidden gems, unique spots only locals know about in X city. So you can copy this and come back to ChatGPT. And then you can type Medina, Ohio. And now we have 10 hidden gems, unique spots only locals know about in Medina, Ohio. And ChatGPT is going to go look for it. And it is going to create 10 hidden gems that only locals know about in this area. And guess what you can do? I'll write me an email to my database. Oh, yep, I got you, Paul. What I'm going to do is I will share this with you guys. Here's our list of 50 different community-based ideas. And you'll see, it'll go through and it will write you 10 hidden gems. An email for your database on this one. Family, this tool to me is one of the biggest cheat codes that you can have for creating community-based content. Because you come back here, let's see, brewery. I believe we have one here. Top 5 breweries. How many people always like checking out new breweries? So you can literally just copy this. Come back to ChatGPT. Hit that search, because that's the important part, in Medina, Ohio. And here we go. It's going to label top 5 breweries in Medina, Ohio. Family, do not overthink this one. Here's your list, community-based ideas. Top 5 reasons millennials are moving to this city. Local charities and how to get involved. Why investing in property in blank is a smart choice. Local landmarks that define the city. 5 things newcomers need to know about the city. You can go through. You can say top 5 dog parks, top 5 coffee shops, top 3 places to visit. And create just a whole slew of community-based content using ChatGPT. What we also did, I'll share this document with you guys as well, is we created ones that are more real estate specific. Let's see. Understanding the local real estate market in this area. Exploring historic properties for sale in this area. Why you should rent or buy in this city. Pros and cons. You can use the search tool. Literally, it'll search, come up with information, and then you can just simply copy and paste. This one is great because you can use this tool, and then what I call it is farming. Just go and farm some of these Facebook groups. You just go to Facebook. You come over here to groups, and you just type in your city that you are looking to that you are looking to farm. You can look up top 5 dog parks, top 3 coffee shops, top 3 local breweries, top 5 things to do this weekend, and just constantly share information of what's going on in the community. And you know what people do? If they don't see their favorite brewery on there, they're going to comment and say, no, you should have this brewery on there. What does that do? It just gets more people interested in what you have going on. Family, this search tool, amazing. What people like, that top 3 things to do this weekend, why I love that prompt with that tool is because every single week you can just go into ChatGPT every single week, go into ChatGPT, hit the search and say, give me the top 3 things to do this weekend and then put in your city. And every week it's going to change. If you want to update it, you can say, give me the top 3 family friendly things to do this weekend and then put your city. And it helps if you put a city before you start. Yeah, it knows where I'm kind of located at. But you will see top 3 family friendly things. Gives you a slight difference on it. But it is that simple to do. And then now write me an email. Here we go. Become a source of information for your community, and then your community will reach out to you when they want to buy or sell. Don't always make it about buying or selling, right? Because that's only a small percentage of your database, only a small percentage of your followers. Become the community champ, where people just, if people are going to your area, Medina, Ohio, or wherever you live, they think of you. And that's what winning looks like. Sometimes I think we like to complicate this AI thing where it has to be this big ordeal of all these things you have to learn. Hey, give me the top 3 things to do this weekend. Now write me an email. And every single week, you can be sending it out to your database.
If you're a real estate agent and don't want to get left behind with all of these AI updates, guys, you're in the right place because we created the world's very first AI certified agent. We have an entire AI institute dedicated to the real estate industry. We have a top custom GPT in the ChatGPT store just for the real estate industry. All you got to do is check out some of the links in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And if you're still here, go ahead and check out one of the other videos that we just shot.